My name is Doug Skomer. I'm the Executive Director of Hart Home Builder. One of the tools that Sales Solves Everything offers to their clients is a thing called Sales Bites. And we've been with them since they actually introduced Sales Bites so many years ago. And Sales Bites is really a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week sales counselor that can help people overcome objections. There's bites for just about anything that you would accomplish, dealing with a multicultural buyer, showing and demonstrating a model, properly putting together features and benefits, actually overcoming objections, different closes. I mean, just the list keeps going on and all the things that they have in these little 20-minute nuggets that you can get online any day of the week, any time of the week. And the beauty for that, from our perspective, was that our salespeople actually had a resource they could go to whenever they needed to without anybody else watching over them and get some information, maybe get a little tip or maybe a little tune-up that would actually help them close deals and overcome some of the challenges that they were facing in working with different people.